Hello, first grade. It's Colin here, and today we're going to talk about the animals, okay? So, the first animal we have is the rabbit. The rabbit is a vertebrate. It is a mammal, has fur all over its body. It hops, and it has one, two, three, four. It has 4 legs, okay? The rabbit. The next animal we have is the frog. The frog is a vertebrate. It is an amphibian. It has moist, wet skin. It also hops like the rabbit, and it has 4 legs as well. One, two, three, four. The frog. This is a bird, okay? A bird is a vertebrate. It has feathers on its body, okay? It flies, so it flies in the sky using its 2 wings, and it has 2 legs. It has 2 legs and 2 wings. The bird. This is a turtle. A turtle is a vertebrate. It is a reptile. It has scales on its skin, okay? Scales, dry, scaly skin. It walks, but it can also swim in the water, and it has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It also has a shell on its back to protect itself. The turtle. This is a fish. A fish is a vertebrate, so it has a backbone. It is a fish. It has scales, but not like the scales of a reptile. These scales are wet because the fish live in the water. The fish don't walk, they swim, okay? They swim in the water, in the ocean, in the lake, in the river. And the fish does not have legs, it has fins. Here's a fin, another fin, here's a tail fin, okay? The fish. This is a snake. A snake is a vertebrate. It is a reptile, like the turtle. It has scales, dry, scaly skin. It slithers because it does not have legs. It has 0 legs, so the snake has to slither on the ground. The snake. This is a butterfly. A butterfly is an insect, and it is an invertebrate, so it does not have a backbone. It's an invertebrate, and it's an insect that uses its 2 wings to fly. Okay? So it can fly in the sky. The butterfly. This is a cat. A cat is a vertebrate. It is a mammal. It also has fur, like the rabbit. It can walk or it could run, and it has 4 legs. The cat. This is a cow. A cow is a vertebrate. It is also a mammal. It has fur or hair. It can walk or could run, and it has one, two, three, four. It has 4 legs. Okay, the cow. This is a snail. A snail is an invertebrate. That means it does not have a backbone. And it has a shell right here to protect itself from other animals. So the shell, it's like its home. This is the snail. This is the bee, okay? The bee is an insect and it is an invertebrate. That means it does not have a backbone. It uses its wings To fly, so that's how it gets around. The bee flies. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And, ooh, be careful, it can also sting you, okay? The crocodile is a vertebrate. It is also a reptile. It has dry, scaly skin, so it has scales, just like the snake and the turtle. It can walk or run with its 4 legs, but the crocodile can also swim. It likes to swim in the water. And it also has a very big tail and very big sharp teeth. This is the crocodile. This is the dog. The dog is a vertebrate. It is a mammal. It has fur. It can walk or it could run. And it has 4 legs, okay? The dog. This is a penguin. A penguin is a vertebrate. It is a bird. It has feathers, very, very little feathers, but they are feathers. And it has 2 legs and 2 wings. But this bird cannot fly. No, it cannot fly. The penguin uses its wings to swim very, very fast in the water. So its wings are for swimming. It has 2 wings and 2 feet. Penguin. And the last one is a shark. A shark is a fish, and it is a vertebrate. It has scales, like other fish do, but wet scales, not like reptiles. It swims in the water, and it doesn't have legs, it has fins. Here's a fin, here's a fin, here's a tail fin, okay? The shark has fins. Shark. Okay, good job everyone. Thank you.